For decades, humanoid robots have had a problem. They could either think or move. But doing both at the same time in the real world was nearly impossible. Until now.
等会有客人要来，麻烦拿2瓶水到前台，谢谢。
好的，我马上去。
Chinese humanoid robotics company LimX Dynamics has unveiled something different. It's called COSA, the Cognitive Operating System of Agents, and it represents a fundamental breakthrough in humanoid robotics. Not better motors, not faster processors, but a new way for robots to think and act as one system.
早上好，嘿 Emma， 怎么了？身体不舒服吗？我检测到打印机没纸了。
Ollie， 等会有客人要来，麻烦拿2瓶水到前台，谢谢。
好的，我马上去。
Traditional robots work in sequence. Think first, move later. COSA breaks that model. It introduces a unified brain-body architecture where high-level cognition, reasoning, planning, memory, and adaptation is tightly fused with whole-body motion control. The robot doesn't pause to decide. It decides while moving. That's the breakthrough. Meet Ollie. This system powers LimX Dynamics' humanoid robot, Ollie. Ollie doesn't just follow scripts, it understands natural language instructions, walks, balances, and manipulates objects, and adapts instantly to real-world changes. This is what researchers call embodied intelligence, where thinking happens inside the body, not separately from it.
那我先把水拿给客户，然后再把快递送给 Lily， 你看可以吗
？OK 的，那个快递是红色的，应该很好找。
好的，没问题。
Independent judgment, the turning point. In a demonstration, Ollie is told to fetch water. Mid-task, it receives a new instruction. Instead of blindly switching tasks, Ollie evaluates priority. It completes the water-fetching task first, then retrieves the package. That decision wasn't pre-programmed, it was judgment. This is the moment humanoid robots stop being tools and start becoming agents. COSA gives humanoid robots understanding, memory, action, continuous adaptation. The robot can pause, reassess, and continue even when interrupted. This is something traditional automation simply can't do. Because real environments are chaotic, supermarkets aren't predictable, hospitals aren't scripted, nursing homes are full of interruptions. Until now, humanoid robots struggled here. With COSA, they don't just execute tasks, they manage them. That's the difference between a demo and a deployable system. China is moving fast in humanoid robotics, embodied AI, cognitive operating systems, and full-body motion control. LimX Dynamics COSA shows that humanoid robots are no longer waiting for intelligence to catch up. They've just integrated it. This isn't just about better robots, it's about machines that can understand goals, prioritize actions, and adapt continuously in the physical world. That's a capability barrier, and COSA just crossed it. Humanoid robots didn't become useful when they learned to walk. They became useful when they learned to decide while walking. And that's the breakthrough.